Welcome back to emergencyfoodandsupply.com. Today we're going to show you how to fasten a printer, and we're going to use our tabletop fastener for this. And these steps will apply to anything that you want to secure that's going to be on top of a countertop or on a table. So this is the tabletop fastener, and all that it is two fasteners on each side and a strap in the middle. And this is what we're going to use to secure this printer. So the printer is now secured. Basically, this is just a two-step process. It's real simple. You just want to locate where the flattest part of the printer is at and go ahead and clean it off with alcohol to remove any debris or dust. Then go ahead and secure the fastener to that surface, and you're going to want to follow the same steps for securing it to the top of the table. And that completes the fastening job here for securing a printer or any tabletop item.